Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel, The Competitive Scholar, where we break down today's most critical global issue in a clear, exam oriented way. So, its topic is nuclear proliferation and nuclear security. In a world where one wrong decision can erase entire cities, the nuclear proliferation and nuclear security are no longer just strategic issues, they are questions of human survival. So, nuclear proliferation multiplies insecurity rather than granting peace. In our today's video, we will discuss different factors which involved the different points of nuclear proliferation and nuclear security. So, let's begin and move forward today's our topic. So, nuclear proliferation and nuclear security are two closely related but distinct concepts. These are not same. Nuclear proliferation, the spread of nuclear weapons, fissionable materials, and weapon applicable nuclear technology and information to the nations not recognized as nuclear weapon states by the Treaty on the Non Proliferation of Nuclear Weapons. So, increased risk of nuclear war. Many more countries with nuclear weapons increase the likelihood of their own using either institutionally and accidentally. Destabilization of international relations. The acquisitions of nuclear weapons by non-nuclear states are upset and regional balloons of power and increased tensions. Terrorism. The possibility of nuclear materials falling into the bands and hands of terrorist groups, proxies, and these have a grave threat. Nuclear security, in the other hand, the protection of nuclear materials and facilities from theft, sabotage, unauthorized access, and other threats. Physical security measures to prevent unauthorized access to nuclear materials, facilities such as fences, guards, and surveillance systems. So, nuclear material accounting and control. Systems to track at the movement and use of nuclear materials to prevent theft to distinctions, transportation security, safe and secure transportations of number materials, cyber security, protection of nuclear facilities and systems from cyber attacks. Its relationship that how they interrelate the nuclear proliferation and nuclear security interconnected because weak nuclear security can facilitate nuclear proliferation. If nuclear materials are not adequately protected, they could be stolen or diverted for one use in weapons. The importance of international cooperation addressing both nuclear proliferation and nuclear security requires international cooperation and collaboration. Then international efforts regarding nuclear proliferation and nuclear security is Treaty on the Non-Proliferation of Nuclear Weapons (NPT), the conception of international effect to prevent the spread of nuclear weapons. International Atomic Energy Agency (IPA), an international organization that promotes a peaceful one of nuclear energy and works to prevent nuclear proliferation. Nuclear Security Summits, a series of international summits aimed at strengthening global nuclear security. Then it has also many challenges like non-compliance with the NPT. Some states have not fully complied with the NPT, raising concerns about nuclear proliferation, terrorism. The threat of nuclear terrorism remains significant concern. Emerging technologies, new technologies such as the artificial intelligence and biotechnology could potentially be used to develop new types of nuclear weapons. So, its conclusion is both are critical issues with which for reaching implications for international peace and security. Addressing their challenges requires sustained international cooperation, strong national security measures, and commitment to man proliferation. सो नेक्स्ट इज़ न्यूक्लियर पॉलिटिक्स इन साउथ एशिया कि आजकल साउथ एशिया के अंदर न्यूक्लियर वेपन्स को लेके किस तरह की पॉलिटिक्स जो है वो हो रही है। एज़ यू नो कि न्यूक्लियर प्रोलिफरेशन और न्यूक्लियर सिक्योरिटी इस तरह के इश्यूज़ हैं कि सिर्फ स्ट्रेटजिक इशू नहीं बल्कि सिर्फ एक गलत फ़ैसला जो है वो हमें तबाही के दहाने पे ला के खड़ा कर सकता है। ठीक है, तो ये आपने सुना ही होगा कि अगर एटमी जंग कभी भी शुरू होती है किसी भी मुल्क की तो वो जो है वो दुनिया ख़त्म कर सकती है। इतने ख़तरनाक जो है वो इंसान अब तक बना चुका है न्यूक्लियर वेपन्स। सो लेट्स सी दैट हाउ न्यूक्लियर पॉलिटिक्स इन साउथ एशिया occurring. The nuclear politics of South Asia refers to the complex interplay of nuclear weapons capabilities, strategic doctrines, and political tensions among the nations of the region, primarily India and Pakistan. So, as you know, that both are rival countries, so they have a main conflict. Nuclear armed states. India. It conducted its first nuclear test in 1974 and officially declared itself a nuclear power in 1988. India maintains a no first use policy, miring it will only as nuclear weapons in rotation. Then Pakistan developed nuclear weapons in response to India's nuclear program, conducting its first test in 1998. Pakistan does not have a no first use policy and emphasizes its nuclear capability as a deterrent against conventional attacks. Then key issues and concerns regarding nuclear politics in South Asia, deterrence and stability. The preservance of nuclear weapons is seen as a deterrent against large scale conventional warfare between India and Pakistan. However, the risk of escalation and miscalculation remains a major concern. Arms race, both countries continue to develop and modernize their nuclear arsenals and including delivery systems like ballistic missiles and cruise missiles. These arms race fuels instability and diverts resources from development. Command and control. Ensuring the secure and reliable command and control of nuclear weapons is crucial to prevent accidental or unauthorized use. Concerns exist about the safety and security of nuclear materials, especially in Pakistan. So, till that, we have completed our today's topic of nuclear threat, which is comprises of two main topics, which are in some context interrelated or interconnected with one another: nuclear proliferation and nuclear security. So, this proliferation multiplies insecurity rather than granting peace. As we see, if you have any query, any question regarding this video, you may ask in comment section. And if you are new at my channel, then do subscribe my channel and also share with your friends. See you in the next video with next topic. Take care. Allah Hafiz.